Hello friend, in this video I will tell you how to test and repair alternator Lexus LS400. Step 1. Open the carbon brush socket and check this carbon brush is not too bad. Okay, customer complaint the battery light is on and not charging. Now we check where is the problem in the alternator. Toyota car alternator. This is the rectifier. Now we check the rectifier. It is good or no good. Positive lead of the multimeter in the main wire and check continuity. If any continuity, then any problem. This one, okay, good. This is continuity. This is no continuity because no diode inside from factory. It is no diode. Now we check the ground side. The positive lead in the other side. It is short. The rectifier is short. If we have continuity 4.30 to 7 point, it is good, but it is short. This is short 003. The negative plate of the rectifier is shorted. Sometimes beep continuity, sometimes not. No continuity. The negative plate is damaged. Whole rectifier inside. No any continuity. No resistance. This is bad. Problem in this rectifier. I will check the winding of the alternator. It is good continuity, but not continuity in the body. This is armature. No continuity in the body. It is good. Okay. Only problem in the rectifier. This is used one rectifier. Open from another alternator. We can fix this one. Okay, no short. Change the wire for 170. Good. It is good. Good. And also good. Now we check the negative side. Okay. Okay. Good. This rectifier is good. Now we fix this rectifier. This is the old one. you see difference between this and the new one. This is the old one. You see no continuity. The ground plate, no continuity. Okay. This is the carbon brush which we fix this old one. It is good. Most of Toyota car alternator is same rectifier, and you can check it same most of Toyota car. This alternator we will check without fix in the engine alternator. Outside we check, and I'll also show you how to test alternator outside of the car. This is a transistor. Very easy to test everything. Fix everything back, and now we test the alternator. Alternator is fixed. You can check outside the cars in alternator. This is battery, negative or positive wire. Negative in the shaft of the alternator and positive in the main wire. Light is on. This main alternator is good. Now we fix the alternator in the car and check the result. Before 7 volt, We'll start the car with the help of jumper. We check how much volt. Put a multimeter in 20 volt range. DC. Start the car 30.60. It is good. Alternator working good. Thank you for watching.